Hi, my name is Haythem barhoumi, network and system engineer. Today I want going to show you how you can install Nagios on Redhat. So, before I start, let me a little time to explain what is Nagios. So, Nagios is an awesome open source monitoring tools that provide you more comprehensive monitoring environment to always keep an eye on your all machine or your network. So with Nagios you can monitor your remote host and their service. So in this video, I want to guide you with easy instruction on how you can install the latest Nagios 4.2 to you can quickly install and if you follow this instruction correctly, you will end up with the following directory. So let's start. You will going to connect on your host. So let's start. We need to install Apache, PHP, and some library like GCC, glibc-common, and other library. Before installing Nagios, we can install yum default install package. So let's verify if yum install work or now. This package exists. So first I will open this file that contain more instruction about installation. First copy this. And paste here. Okay, so I just installed this. So package PHP is installed, GCC glibc-common is installed, and this requirement are installed. So now you want to going to create a new Nagios user on the Nagios group account and set password to access on your Nagios. So useradd Nagios, paste. So this user exists. Groupadd. This group exists too. Now you will want to create a directory for your Nagios installation and all it is future download. So try to copy this. mkdir with-nagios. The file exists. Now try to enter in this directory. Now try to download the latest Nagios core and Nagios plugin package with wget command. So wget and passed this URL. And try to click OK. Then you want to download the plugin of Nagios, copy and paste, and try to press enter. Now you want to extract Nagios core and its plugin, and where you extract this toolbox with tar command, 2 new folder will appear in that directory. So try to use this tar -dev and use the Nagios plugin. Yes, try to extract this. The sum, try to extract Nagios 4.2. What is that? So if you extract this, you will going to show that two new folder will appear in that directory. This directory and this and this directory. So now if you take and you show this. Now you want to or now first we will configure your Nagios core, and to do we need to go to Nagios directory and run a configure file, and if everything go fine, it will show you the output in the end as sample output. So try to enter in this directory Nagios and try to execute this command. Try to copy this. Paste this. And try to enter. So press OK. We are going to show this sample output. Creating sample config file in sample config, you want to show this general option, Nagios, nagcmd, event broker yes, and install prefix /users local Nagios, include directory, chkconfig.d, and the host operating system Linux Junior Redhat. Now, after configuring, we need to compile and install all the binary with make command and make install command, and you will install all the needed library in your host. So try to execute this command, make all and make install. Try to command make all. Okay, and start and press enter. So if this command will execute correctly, you will going to show this output. So you can continue with installing Nagios as follow tip make and this install-config file is /user local nagios etc. So okay. Now try the following command with install the init scripts for Nagios. So you want to execute this, make install-init, and try to pass this, make install-init, and try to press enter. So next, you will want to install the sample Nagios file. Please try to run this following command: make install config and then press enter. If you execute this, you will going to show this sample output. So Nagios template object command contact localhost Windows printer switch. So you can open the contact.cfg file with your choice, and of editor you can set the email address associated with the Nagios admins. So this Nagios admins, that means the contact definition to receiving email alerts. So try to show this. vi users /local /nagios /etc /objects /contacts.cfg. Try to press I to enter insert mode and define contact name Nagios admins, use generic contact, and the full name of your users is Haythem barhoumi. So you can make your email here, Haythem barhoumi at pvd.2. So you can change this to your email address. Now you will going to exit with saving configuration. After you make this setting, we are done with all configuration in the backend. Now you want to configure the web interface for Nagios with the following command. So the below command will configure web interface for Nagios, and web admin users will be creator nagios-admin. So try to execute this command. Make install webconf and try to press enter. Sample config Nagios apache conf file just installed. In this step we will be creating a password for Nagios admins. After executing this command, please try to provide a new password and keep it remember, because this password will be used when you try to log in the Nagios web interface. So you can change this with this command #passwd nagios option else and slash users slash local slash nagios okay nagios what is it? What is it? Slash htpasswd.users. With this, you can find the password file username. Sorry, try to copy this, paste. Okay, you will find your password and retype in your password and add password for users nagios-admin. So if this all are okay, you can now password verification error because I don't want to change my default password. Now you will going to restart Apache to make the new setting take effects. So try to execute this service http start. Démarrage http. Okay. Now in step 7 you will want to compile and install Nagios plugin. So we have downloaded the Nagios plugin in root Nagios. No. Go there and configure and install it as directed below. So today root Nagios. CD Nagios plugin, and now try to execute this command. Let's configure this command. And tap enter. Now if all things are fine, you can try to call the command make and make install and press enter. If all is correctly installed, you will want to show a simple output that this plugin are correctly installed. Now in step 9 you will want to add Nagios service to system startup. So you will want to execute this command, chkconfig, chkconfig, add Nagios. Then you will add http and you will add that this level is on. So chkconfig make it align. Now we will want to restart Nagios to make the new setting take effect. So try to refresh and servers Nagios start. If you use Redhat 7, you will execute this command. System start Nagios .server. So now, if all things are correctly installed, your Nagios is ready to work, and you can open your browser and paste the URL of your Nagios that execute your server IP. So try to going to this and make the address of Nagios server. Good, all thing is correctly fine. So authentication requires your username is nagiosadmin and the password is password. Try to connect. Good. So in this you can view the current status, tactical overview, map, your host, service, problem, and all you want. So congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured Nagios and its plugin. You have just begun your journey into monitoring. So that's it for now. In my upcoming video and tutorial, I will show you how you can add Linux, Windows, printer, switch and device to Nagios Monitoring Server. And if you are having any trouble while installing, please contact me via comment or via my address mail. My address mail is informatic@topnet.in. So after installation of Nagios is correctly installed, I must try to show you shortly how you can add host to monitor in server Nagios. So try to download NS client, NSC, and copy this setup and go to your server that you want to monitor it. Now, paste this setup and try to install NS client in this server. Double click, next, generic, choose the setup typical, and try to make in this the address of your Nagios server. Select all and make next and try install. This service is communicate with the Nagios server. So try to add this server on Nagios. Let's look at this measures. This object slash objects. Let's Windows passage. Insert. So I will try to add my host, Windows server, and add this. Finish. Service. If you add your host and the address of your host, now exit. Now you want to add service. Sorry. Object. That's what's it. Now you want to add the service that you want to monitor them. Service definition. So the service you can use this command: check HTTP, check DNS, check ping, time of latence. You can check the version of your NS client inside, the LDAP, time, CPU load, to monitor your process, memory usage, the partition driver space. All you need, you can add them. Now when you try to show your service, you will going to show your problem. service. You can show that the static is critical or okay, or you have warning. Then you can make a report of your host or service. For example, service here, htpasswd space, last month, apply. We're going to show the statics. So critical, you can view render for this service, availability, notification for this service. That's all. So I think you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your attention, and I wait your comments. Goodbye.